Hello friends, I am Roshan Shetty. You are watching Discovery Agriculture YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Let's begin the video. You can't see it on outside, but this all the industrial neighborhood is an agriculture oasis. Inside this building, about 250 kinds of leafy greens are grown in huge quantity, and they are sold in local supermarkets and in restaurants. This is the Aeroponics of massive indoor vertical farm in New York. This is the revolution to build farms in cities all over the world, so people can access to fresh, great tasting, highly nutritious food. Crops are staked 30 feet height inside this 30,000 square feet space. Here they are using only aeroponic system. Aeroponic technology says that root misting systems allows them to use 95% less water than regular field farm. They also use no pesticides or herbicides. Instead of soil, plants are grown in reusable cloth made from recyclable plastic. And instead of sun, there are rows of specialized LED lights. Lot of people says that sun is must. Plant needs sun. In fact, plants don't need yellow spectrum, so we can able to grow crops with certain spectrum of light. The sophisticated climate control system cuts the growing cycle of plants in half, so plants can be grown in all year around with smaller impact on the environment. There is so many problems in our planet. 70% of freshwater contamination comes from agriculture. That 70% of freshwater usage goes to agriculture. 1/3 of our arable land has been degraded in the last 40 years. All these micro trends point to the fact that we need new way to feed our planet. In 1999, Deponier and his students proposed that vertical farming could feed overpopulated cities by using less land and less water. They also cut greenhouse gases by eliminating the need to transport food over long distance. And this idea is finally started to execute in last few years. Vertical farm is now spreaded all over the world. Do you think vertical farming will help to solve our food production problem? Let us know by commenting below. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Hopefully we can reach everyone in this world through this video. I will try to provide this kind of agriculture related information through this channel. Let's discover the agriculture with Discovery Agriculture YouTube channel. I need your support, so please subscribe to Discovery Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you. See you again with a new video.